Looking for the best Akiflow discount code? You've just found it. Right now, you can unlock an exclusive Akiflow discount for an extended use. But don't wait, this offer won't last forever. If you've been thinking about upgrading your productivity, task management, or your project planning setup, now is the time. Check the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to lock in the best price today. Akiflow is an inventive productivity tool that combines your tasks, calendar, and project management into one streamlined dashboard. It's designed to help you plan smart, avoid context switching, and stay fully focused without the chaos of juggling multiple apps. So, right now, you can get the Akiflow discount. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, now. Therefore, act fast. This exclusive offer might change, and we always update with the best available deal, so don't miss your chance. And here's the best part. Akiflow starts with a free trial, so you can test everything risk-free. It even includes a personalized AI setup that tailors the experience to your needs. Just answer a few simple, quick questions, and your productivity co-pilot is ready. Check the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to get this exclusive deal now. So why is Akiflow worth your time and this exclusive deal? First, it brings together all of your tasks, meetings, and calendars into one command center. No more bouncing between Notion, Slack, Trello, and Gmail. Second, Akiflow offers real-time bi-directional sync, meaning if you check off a task in Akiflow, it updates in the original app automatically. That's really cool. Third, it's built for time blocking. Just drag and drop tasks into your calendar to structure your day visually. It's flexible, fast, and intuitive. Fourth, there's a built-in AI assistant that learns from your workflow and helps auto-tag tasks or assign them to projects, a real time saver. And finally, Akiflow includes detailed statistics to track how you spend your time, especially useful for freelancers, remote teams, or anyone who wants to audit their productivity. Whether you're managing clients, juggling multiple tools, or just want clarity, Akiflow puts everything in one place so you can focus on what matters. So remember, if you're serious about reclaiming your time and simplifying how you work, Akiflow is one of the smartest tools you can invest in. Use our code tailored just for you and start building your ideal workflow today. Akiflow is built for people who are done feeling overwhelmed and ready to take back control of their time. You've got the tools, the free trial, and now an exclusive discount, so why wait? Tap the link below or scan the QR code to begin your Akiflow quest today.